Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by processing the roasted butternut into a coarse paste. This gives body and natural sweetness. Once done, combine 1/2 cup oats and 1/4 cup peanut butter to bind. This creates chew and texture. Then add 3 tablespoon cocoa and 2 tablespoon honey. Mix until homogeneous. Make sure to season with a pinch of salt to lift flavors. Work quickly while warm because the oils spread easier. Press a small ball to test bind before moving to the next step. Once your mixture holds when squeezed, portion into 1 tablespoon scoops and roll into uniform balls. This ensures even coating. Next, chill the balls for 10 to 15 minutes so they firm up. This prevents melting when dipped. Meanwhile, melt 1/2 cup chocolate gently. Use short bursts in the microwave or a double boiler for smooth, glossy coating. Then dip each ball, tap off excess, and return to parchment. Make sure to work in small batches so the chocolate doesn't seize. To finish, refrigerate the coated munchkins for 30 to 45 minutes until the chocolate fully sets and the centers are cool. This sharpens the snap and makes them easier to store. Once set, transfer to an airtight container and enjoy within 5 days for best texture. If you added toppings, press them on immediately after dipping. If the chocolate seizes or becomes grainy, warm 1 teaspoon neutral oil and stir it in slowly to smooth the coating. This usually rescues the batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.